Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use possessive pronouns to talk about what belongs to you or someone else. Let's begin with the key points. What are possessive pronouns? Real-life examples. Comparing sentences. Real conversation example. Practice examples. Summary. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns replace a noun to show that something belongs to someone. They answer the question, whose is it? Here are the common possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example. This is my jacket. This jacket is mine. That is your book. That book is yours. Real-life examples. Let's look at real examples. Whose phone is this? It's mine. Are these glasses yours? No, they're his. That's not our umbrella. It's theirs. We use possessive pronouns when the owner is clear and we don't want to repeat the noun. Comparing sentences. Let's compare sentences use possessive adjective and sentences use possessive pronoun. This is her scarf. Possessive adjective. This scarf is hers. Possessive pronoun. That is our house. Possessive adjective. That house is ours. Possessive pronoun. Real conversation example. See how Ali and Sara ask and answer without repeating the noun. It makes the conversation smoother.
Is that notebook yours?
No, it's not mine. I think it's his. Ask Tom.
Yes, it's mine, thanks.
Practice examples. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. This pen is mine. That chair is hers. These shoes are ours. Is that bag yours? Those jackets are theirs. This seat is mine. I always sit here. Summary. Possessive pronouns replace the noun and show ownership. We use them to answer questions like, whose is it? You can use them when you don't want to repeat the thing you're talking about. Let's say them one more time together. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.